Hello, good morning, student. Dear student, today we will revise lesson number 4, sorting material into group. Okay, dear student, you know about the sorting means separating of the things, means arrangement of the things. Okay, means student, first of all, you know about the when you look around us and see the numbers of things like marker, table, mobile phone, cloth, and utensil. It means that many things we see around us, and these things is called object. Okay, that's we can say that anything that we can see or touch is called an object. Clear है? Now student, next topic, classification of object. Classification of object. All you know about the classification means the grouping different object on the basis of similarity and dissimilarity is known as the classification. Classification is very important for identify the things easily. Okay. Now we know about one example, like a grocery shop has many things. Imagine if all the things were dumped together in one place, the shopkeeper would never be able to find out the things that buyer want. Why? Because the things are not systematically arranged. That's why need classification of object. Okay, now see the importance of classification. Importance of classification. Number 1 point है, it help the systematic study of object. It help systematic study of object. Okay. Number 2 है, it helps in identify and location of things. And the location of things, and it help to study the property of object. Properties of object. Okay, now see the next topic, materials. What is the materials? Materials means object that used to making different kinds of object is called materials. Okay, what are materials? Material means a substance that is used to making that is used to making different object. object is called materials. Now student, materials are two types. Materials are two types. Number one, natural materials. And number two, artificial materials. Natural materials, the materials is obtained from the nature, like wool, paper, wool, silk, wood. These are obtained from the nature, is known as the natural materials. Artificial means the materials is made by the human beings, like plastic, paper, and different type of cloth, soap. These are the artificial materials. Okay, now see the next topic. An object made different type of materials. An object made different type of materials. An object made up of made of different materials. Okay, it means that the same object may be different type of materials. Like example, we use plate in our daily life, and plate is also made up of plastic, glass, and steel. Okay, it means that an object made of different materials. And now see the next topic. Next topic, different type of object. Different type of object made from same material. Made from same material. Okay, means different the plastic. Now we see the plastic is the materials. It can be make different kinds of object. Suppose that plastic is kind of materials. It is made different type of object like toy, utensil, and bags, tumblers, bucket, toothbrush. It means that it is made up of one things like different type of object made from the same materials. Means plastic the same materials, and it is made up of different kinds of object. Okay, student, are you understand? Are you understand? Okay, bye.